Today we learn about rectifier. What is rectifier? Rectifier is a circuit which is used to convert AC voltage into DC voltage. So there are three types of rectifier: half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, and bridge wave rectifier. So first we learn about the half wave rectifier. In half wave rectifier we use only one diode. The circuit diagram of half wave rectifier is as shown in given figure, in which the AC input signal which is to be rectified is connected across the transformer, primary terminal of transformer, that is P1 and P2, and one terminal of secondary S1 is connected to the P region of PN junction diode, and another terminal S2 is connected to N region of PN junction diode through load resistance. Now here we are using transformer, step down transformer. When the supply is given, then the higher voltage 230 volt is converted into low voltage as per the requirement of the DC supply. So due to alternating current, the polarity of secondary terminal S1 and S2 is alternately changes. And if we learn slowly, so in first case, if S1 is positive and S2 is negative, then in that case this PN junction diode is in forward bias, because P is connected to S1 and S2 is connected to N region of PN junction diode, so it is in forward bias condition. And we know that in forward bias diode conduct the current, and that is flowing through the load resistance from A to B direction, and output is taken across the load resistance. So in this way, in the second case, when S2 is positive and S1 is negative, then this PN junction diode is in reverse bias and it does not conduct the current. Means in the output there is no current flowing to the load resistance and there is no output is obtained. So during each positive half cycle, current is flowing through the load resistance and output is taken. So therefore such type of circuit is called as half wave rectifier. When we plot the waveform, that is here, this is the input waveform. As we know that through our MACB there is 50 Hertz supply is given. So during each positive half cycle, current is flowing through the load resistance and output is taken. So in this way, during each positive half cycle, current is flowing through the load resistance, and this is the input and output waveform of half wave rectifier, in which only half wave is rectified, and during a negative signal it does not conduct the current. So this is about the half wave rectifier.